Home is where family is, where there is a lot of laughter, love, warmth. When you retire from a busy day, you want to come back to your family. You want to spend time where you have traveled and collected stuff. You have each wall speaking some story from your travel, your fragrance of the house with flowers, with plants. When you spend time with plants, you know that how much it takes time to nurture a plant. Hi LBB, I'm Aarti Sharma. Please welcome to my home. This is my living room. It's a 3 BHK flat converted into a 2 BHK. So this was originally an L-shaped living room. We broke down one bedroom and we brought into the living room, which gives us bigger space. So come, I'll show you the main focus of our living room. That's an hand-painted wall. So when you go to city like Rajasthan and Gujarat, the main entrance always has something made with hand. And this is all hand-painted. I personally got it done from an artist and I really like this wall. So this curtain is made of Kota Doria fabric. It's made by House of Akam. Why I like these sheer curtains? Because the sunlight gets filtered and comes inside. So there is a nice bright room, but there is a protection too. So when you turn and there is a main gate for the exit, you see this beautiful hand painted again. It's a Srinathji painting. It's again from Nathdwara by an artist. These are jars, burnis, which we call in Hindi. And there is a story behind this wooden trunk. This has come with me as a trousseau. So I can't part away with this now. Now this wall has a tikri work painting here. It's not a painting, it's a tikri work. It's done on a POP and it's done by Indian artist, and I have bought it from brand called Inara. This is my another side of the living room, which is more formal. This has a more formal setting. So this bed is more like a lounging bed. Most of the time we chill here. We sleep here. We are most of the time living here on this bed. It's like a day bed. This runner also has a story. So I had this Gujarati Kachhi work with me. I had this Khan fabric also. So I matched everything and I've made like a runner too. This is a Tanjore painting from South. I always love their way of working. It's on gold. And if you see closely, they have stones also. This is a very old cabinet. It's been there with me for over 30 years now. It was with my parents. So when I got married, when there was nothing in my house, I asked my father that I want only one thing from your house as a wooden piece. And he said, you take this. So there is my soul and heart attached to it. So I had this one lounge chair and I had bought fabric from Cottons and Satin. And I loved the fabric so much that I decided to add one more chair and make it like a normal sofa chair. I love South Indian homes which has these brackets, in their house. So I have got it done from an South Indian artist. So now I take you to my dining area, which has a nice side table to it. Now this side table also has a story. This was originally in an ivory color. During lockdown, as I told you, I was relatively free. So I just painted in a teal blue color. I changed the knobs. This is again by brand called Spruce. So this is a dining table of teak wood. If you see, it has a crockery of Kansa, and you know how much benefit Kansa has for your health. I love cooking, so this is a very important section in my house. Come, now I take you to my master bedroom. So when you enter, at the right side you see walk-in wardrobe, which was originally not in plan. The actual plan had bathroom. Since we have converted 3 BHK into 2 BHK, this was an extra space. So I've utilized that extra space as walk-in wardrobe. Unlike my living room, this room is more muted and one color dominant, which is a blue color and a beige color. My husband has specified me, please no colors in the bedroom, because too much of colors I have used in my living room. It's very rare to keep these chandeliers in the bedroom, but I have fought with my husband to keep it. I'm sure a lot of women will agree when it comes to this. That I had seen on a website called Indian Shelf. I really liked it and I picked it up. Then I decided that it will be in the bedroom, and it adds so much depth to the bedroom, you know. It adds that old world charm to the bedroom, which I always want. Come, I'll take you to my balcony. It's very difficult to find in Maharashtra homes balcony. We have our morning teas, we have our evening chat during twilight hours. So we enjoy the space, we can hear the morning bird chirping. Come LBB, I take you to my kitchen, which is all vintage. I love old world vibes. I love vintage kitchens. If you see any of the English movies, those vintage kitchens, so I got it made somewhat like that. If you see the knobs, nothing is matching. Each knob is different from the other. So I have gone for sapphire tiles. As I told you, I love kitchens of English movies, old English movies. I have kept an open kitchen. The green color matches the decor of my living room. Of course, it was full green, so there is a shades of green used. And how do I break it? I break it with these multicolored knobs. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such content, please subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.